It is finally time to decorate for Christmas. I can't believe it, like it's come around so fast, but I feel like I'm the most excited I've been for Christmas in years. I didn't know when I planned to film this video today that the weather was gonna get the memo because it snowed and it is snowing. And as I'm like sat here filming this, there's like a family I can see out on like the green patch behind my house having a snowball fight. And it's the cutest thing ever. I want to go and join them. Anyways, we have a lot to do in here. It is looking rather sad and bare since I took down the fall decorations, which I am really sad to see go, I won't lie. But I have some really fun Christmas things to put up, so if you saw my last video, you know there is a lot. I've laid it all out on the bed. It's just completely out of frame because it does look like a mess right now. Yes, I am so excited. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So this is everything. If you saw my last video, you would recognize maybe some of these pieces. However, I did get a few new pieces since I filmed that. So first one being this box of baubles. I realized I didn't really have any that matched the new theme. The other ones are like copper, which was my Christmas theme when I was at school, you know? I also got these velvet beige bows to put on the tree as well from B&M. They were £2, which is so good. I also got this garland and it's a light up one. It's just like this, I ordered it off Amazon. It's just like this pine fir, I don't know my trees, okay? Garland thing. You'll see, it's gonna go on the headboard. Hello. It's gonna go on the headboard of the bed. And then I picked up some of these pine cone decorations. So I think I'm gonna put some on the tree, but then I also might put some on this garland as well to give it something, just to like add something to it, you know? So yeah, this is what we're working with. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do first is take down this mirror, and then I have these command hook things which you're supposed to leave time to sit before you hang things on them. So I'm gonna hang one up where the mirror is to hang this sign up, and then the others I'm gonna use and put along the headboard to hold the garland in place. These command hook things are great, but my god, when you have nails, like trying to get the little sticky backs off, it's testing my patience. I have to get tweezers. Aha, I got it. I am so pleased with how that turned out. This is so good. This was off Amazon. I'll link it down below. It looks so real. You know, sometimes you can order those like fake garlands, and sometimes even like you find it with artificial Christmas trees. They look plastic, whereas these don't. They look really great. And then like I said, I got these pine cone decorations from B&M. They had the strings attached to them with like hot glue, so I just pulled them off and then I've just buried them in the garland just to give it something extra and have like it tie in with the rest of the wood, if that makes sense. I think I'm gonna do the tree next. Okay, I just got the tree out of the box and I just built it up. I just need to fluff out the branches because it's a bit squished, but it's like one of those half trees, so it doesn't have any branches at the back, so it sits flush against the wall because my bed ends here, so if I had like a full round tree, I would not be able to get past. So I saw this one in August. I've had it for years and it's pre-lit as well, so it's so much easier than having to like put the lights on yourself. And it just fits perfect in the space, so if it isn't broke, don't fix it. I'm gonna keep this for as long as it keeps working. Okay, moment of truth. Is it actually going to turn on? Yay! Still works. These I am so incredibly excited about. They are the cutest things ever. So they have these little like clear strings. So then you just like hang them. And they're like candles. Oh my god. Makes my heart so happy. Okay, we're taking a quick break from decorating to do some baking because my family will be home soon and they'll be downstairs. So I'm going to take full advantage of having the kitchen to myself while I can. So we're going to make some gingerbread men. So I've just weighed out all the ingredients and let's bake some gingerbread men.
Who would have thought that Christmas could bring tears to my eyes? Don't get me wrong, still enjoy full times. We're gonna sing this song. Look at the snow, it's Christmas, and there's our mistletoe. Among all the gifts and all the Christmas cards, I think of you, don't forget. I ring a bell for those who have nothing, so lend a helping hand. And if you do the very best you can, it won't be hard to understand. And that's how we know it's Christmas for every girl and boy. And you can be sure it's tears of joy. Happy Christmas to you.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday.
I love it. I love it. My heart's so happy. I knew I was going to be happy when this was done, but I underestimated just how happy. I'm so happy. Okay, so I'm freshly showered, which is why I'm a bit red, because I had a really hot shower because it's freezing. It's so cold. It's saying that it's -4, which you either think that's cold, or if you're from a really cold climate, you'd be like, that's nothing. But I swear, England cold is different. The same as England heat is different. It's different. It's freezing. So anyways, freshly showered, washed my hair, clean pajamas, and I cannot wait to get into bed and get cozy and just like have all of the little fairy lights and candles. I mean, there are so many fairy lights and candles in this room, like it might be a fire hazard, but so I just want to show you guys what it looks like with all the lights off now that everything is decorated, and I've like faffed about with bits to get them perfect. So roll the attempt at cute aesthetic clips. And that is everything. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any Christmas content video ideas, let me know down below. I am more than open to suggestions. I have a like slowly growing list of ideas on my laptop. But yeah, if there's anything that you want to see, let me know. With all that said, comment this emoji if you made it to this point in the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!